Hi! In this quick tutorial, we'll cover how to use Discovery, the library's main search tool. Discovery lets you find peer-reviewed articles, news articles, ebooks, physical books, videos, and more. If you're off campus, make sure to sign in first. Use the first part of your Troy email and your email password. This is the main Discovery page. By default, it opens in Advanced Search, but you can switch to Basic Search at the top right. Both searches look through the same materials. The Advanced Search just gives you extra filtering options. I'm going to be using the Advanced Search in this tutorial, so I will click back to that. You may notice that it says My EBSCO in the top right and has a sign-in prompt. Students often interpret this to mean that they are not signed into the library or that their sign-in failed. This is not the case. The My EBSCO sign-in is an optional account you can create if you want to save articles to review them later. It is not related to your library account. If you signed in using the login screen we looked at earlier and the page opened to Discovery, then you are successfully signed in to the library. Below the search bar are filters to refine your results. The most common ones are peer-reviewed, limits your results to only scholarly articles. Full text will limit your results to items you can access online immediately. And publication date, which limits the time periods in which the source was published. Now let's try a search. The Advanced Search page has more than one search box. This allows you to use more than one keyword in your search. Discovery will combine your keywords using Boolean operators, which are words like and, or, and not that are used to combine keywords and refine searches in databases and search engines. Let's try searching for social media and mental health. I'll just put each word in a different search bar and search. You can see that Discovery has combined my keywords for me using the Boolean operator and. I didn't use any limiter when I did my initial search, but I can still turn them on now to refine these results using the buttons below the search bar. I can refine to peer-reviewed results, limit to full-text sources, change the publication date range, or specify the type of source I'm looking for. If I click on All Filters, even more filter options will appear in a menu to the right. And that is a quick overview of Discovery. If you need assistance using Discovery or other library resources, don't hesitate to contact the library. Thanks for watching!